How to set up TikTok Ads account. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to set up TikTok Ads account. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to Google and type TikTok Ads, and click on the top result or access ads.tiktok.com. After that you can log in with your account, or click sign up to create an account. Enter your email and password to register, and click sign up. Solve the CAPTCHA and check your email for the registration confirmation code. Copy and paste the code on the registration page. Next, complete your account data and click the register button. The next stage you have to determine the payment method, and click the Go to Ads Manager button. Choose the ad mode that suits you. For example, we will select Custom Made, click Custom Mode. And you will enter the ad creation page, where your TikTok Ads account has been successfully created. See you in the next tutorial.